Many organizations choose to upgrade their technology or information side of the value stream by making any other improvements. While this can certainly improve the efficiency, effectiveness, and capabilities of your technology, it is not always the most effective place to start. Consider for a moment if your information is changed, but your factory remains the same. No changes to the layout, no updates to processes, no new tools, no organization, and no elimination of the various forms of waste that often cause so much trouble in value streams. What would happen? Put simply, information would flow rapidly, but physical items would still be at a stop until improvements were made. In addition to this, the information side of the value stream and the materials side would not work together effectively. Changes would need to be made. This occurs because the information side of the value stream has very little impact on the materials side of a value stream. Oddly enough, when TruePoll is implemented, much of the information side of a value stream is eliminated or drastically reduced. With this in mind, we must consider that upgrading, changing, and adding advanced technology systems may not yield the results you desire right away. In closing, you may be thinking, does that mean I need to remove technology from my organization? No. It does not mean that at all. It does mean that adjustments and changes will likely need to be made to bring both the information side of your value stream in line with the material side of your value stream. For example, you may currently use ERP, WMS, or MRP systems to manage your procurement needs as well as help with scheduling production at a daily, weekly, and monthly level. As you begin implementing Poll into your organization, the way you use these systems will undoubtedly change, and you will need to look at these systems and consider what forms of information waste will need to be examined. Consider for a moment the following question that you can answer in the comments or an upcoming assignments section. What impact would improving only technology in your organization have? We look forward to hearing your answers, and we'll see you in the next module right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.